Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Princess Peach's wedding dress on Dress to Impress. I did use some VIP items here, so let's get started with the video. Removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. For the hair, I used this one in FFBE21, position the Y at 0.55 and scale it to 0.4. Grab this hair in bangs only. In the same color, position the Z at 0.48. Grab this hair in the same color, position the Z at 0.55 and scale it to 0.47. For the earrings, we're going to use these round ones. Looks weird from the side. In 5B8882, position the Z at 0.38. Scale it to 0.6. Grab this crown in 9F, 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 and 991114. First toggle, position the Y at 0.68, Z 0.44. Rotate the X to 0.49 and scale it to 0.19. Wait, was that 19? Sorry. Yes. Grab this veil in all white, position it the same, but just rotate the X to 0.53. Okay. Now, time for the outfit. You don't need VIP for the outfit. Grab these gloves in the long toggle, no fur in light silk. Grab this top here in the currency item, the Magical Girl set, without the bow, undershirt details, or lace, so just practically the rest. Color it all white, and then for the third one, color it this like gold color, CB9124, and this blue one, I'm just going to make it slightly darker so you can see the blue a little bit better, maybe 3A587A. Then for the skirt itself, we're going to use this code item here in white in light silk. And then I think I might do silk on the top one. And then I'll do white again in light silk and then white. Then I'm going to use the petal dress here in the Queen of Flowers without the silver top in all white, like so. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!